बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. We are going to start basic engineering circuit analysis. Now this is our very first topic that has basic concepts. So first of all we will talk about electric current. So what is electric current? Simply we can say that this is flow of charges. Charges, you know, that are represented by Q symbol. Electric current has a unit. We simply say that this is in amperes. Write it as A. Small units that will be in milliamps, and the bigger units that will be in kilo amperes. Okay, now mathematically we can see that IT, because I is a function of time, this changes with the time. This will be dq by dt. So how much charge is flown in a unit time, so that will be presented in terms of amperes. So 1 coulomb per second, that will be 1 ampere of the current. So अगर हम इसी की इंटीग्रेशन करें, so we have q that is a function of time. अगर मैं देखना चाहूँ कि if 1 ampere current is passing through a wire and that is charging a capacitor, for example, so how much charge will be accumulated after 1 second? So this will be presented by minus infinity to the required time and into I, that is a function of time, into d of t. So this will present you in coulombs. ये आपको किस में present करेगा? That will be in coulombs. So 1 ampere is entering in a capacitor for 1 second. The total charge that will be included, that will be accumulated in capacitor for 1 second, that will be the charge. So basically there are two types of current. We can say that one is the direct current and the other one is called as alternating current. So there are different types of direct current and alternating current. Direct current आपके पास वो होता है that will remain constant throughout the timeline. So this is the simplest form of direct current. The average value and the RMS value that will remain constant. ये average value और RMS value को हम थोड़े से preceding lecture में ज़रा डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे. So for right now आप सिर्फ ये नाम समझें, हम इसकी डिटेल में बात करेंगे. So this is the direct current. The alternating current on the other hand, that will be a sinusoidal. For example, this is changing with respect to time and this is a sinusoidal waveform. So this is alternating current. But there are some other type of direct current as well. You have a pulse train that remains positive for certain time, then 0, then again positive, then 0, then again positive. This is also the form of direct current, because average value इसमें जो आपके पास आएगी, इसमें कोई चीज हम subtract नहीं करेंगे. ये बात आपको इस तरह समझ आएगी कि if we have a current that is positive and negative and that has a pulse train, this is an alternating current. Similarly, we can have another form that is a triangular waveform. So this is also a direct current. So if this triangular waveform goes in the negative part, then this will be an alternating current. So if you see all these three diagrams, this is alternating current. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हम इसको लिखेंगे AC और इसको हम लिखेंगे DC. मैं अपनी इस बात को अगर समराइज करूं, तो अगर आपके पास कोई भी वेव फॉर्म पॉजिटिव हाफ साइकिल में ही रहे, तो इस तरह की वेव फॉर्म को हम लोग कहेंगे डायरेक्ट करंट. एंड इफ देयर आर सम नेगेटिव हाफ साइकिल्स, दिस ग्रीन वन, देन दिस टाइप of waveform and the current will be called as alternating current. So एक छोटा सा ये आपके पास डिफरेंस है, मैंने 3 डायग्राम्स बनाई. Then we have two type of circuits. One is considered as source and the other one is considered as load. तो सोर्स आपके पास वो होता है जो बेसिकली इलेक्ट्रिक करंट प्रोवाइड करे. इफ यू सी, अगर मैं इस लोड लाइन को, लोड कंडक्टर को ग्राउंड कंसीडर करूं, द करंट लीविंग पॉइंट, द करंट इज लीविंग फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, लेट्स से दिस इज पॉइंट ए and it is going in B point. So for this diagram, I have circuit A, that will be my source, that may have contain a battery और कोई आपके पास पावर सप्लाई हो सकती है, और ये आपके पास क्या होगा, लोड. इसमें कोई आपके पास बल्ब हो सकता है, कोई रेजिस्टर हो सकती है, और आपके पास कोई स्पीकर हो सकता है. So current will enter at point B, so this will be considered as our load. So you have और दूसरी बात ये आगे भी डिस्कस होगा कि फॉर सोर्स द करंट लीविंग पॉइंट विल बी पॉजिटिव एंड फॉर लोड करंट एंटरिंग पॉइंट दैट विल बी पॉजिटिव. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस. वी विल डिस्कस ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन डिटेल in our next lectures. So see you at that time. Thank you very much.